fresh sliced meats in front of your face, oven roasted beef, hot off the grill cheesesteaks. Come taste and believe at Jersey Mike's, keeping the same tradition of fresh for over 50 years. Open for lunch as early as 10 a.m. and for dinner up to 9 p.m. And yes, we do catering for office parties, family reunions, game night, whatever. Taste and believe at Jersey Mike's. One bite and you will be convinced. Visit our locations in Kennesaw, Brookhaven, and Howell Mill Road. Business owners, do you think you can't afford to advertise your business? You can't afford not to advertise your business. The 10th Amendment Media Group has a variety of packages and options that can be customized for your needs. With the Exceptional Radio Network and the Home Rule News, our patrons want to become your patrons. Give us a call today at 404-691-4467. That's 404-691-4467. You will find that our rates can fit within any budget. It's 2009. Don't you think it's time to give your business an online presence? Stop talking about it. Do it. Call us at 404-691-4467.